Hello again guys, it's Corey here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2023 Hyundai Tucson and I'm going to show you how to change the wiper blades. Now this vehicle has a 26-inch blade on the driver's side and the passenger side is a 16-inch blade. Now we cannot lift the wiper arm up. As you can see, it would hit the hood. Both of these are like that, so we're going to have to put these wipers up into the service position. I'll show you how to do that. Alright guys, we're inside the vehicle. And what we need to do is hit this start-stop button twice. You do not need to start the engine, just turn on the power, the accessories. So hit this once, it'll light up there, and hit it again, and everything boots up. And then shut it off. And then hold your wiper stalk up. And you'll hear the wiper arms move up in the service position. So now we can go ahead out there and change the wiper blades. And also the rear wiper arm has come down and we can go ahead and change that one as well. I'll show you how to do that too. Okay, we're outside the vehicle now. We can go ahead and lift these wiper arms up away from the windshield. As you can see now it clears the hood. Both sides do. So we're going to grab the wiper arm, lift up, and it allows you to change the blade. Okay, to change this blade, you need to release this little clip here. It's easy to do. Just stick a little screwdriver under here like this and gently lift up. And that will fold away. And that allows you to release the blade from the wiper arm. And just grab a hold of it and push down towards the windshield. Just like that. Be careful not to bump this wiper arm because it is spring loaded and it will come flying down and potentially crack or chip your glass in your windshield, so we don't want that to happen. So you can grab your new blade and insert it into the wiper arm like this. And lift up towards the sky. It'll click and then lock it into place like this, and that is it. And gently fold it down towards the windshield. Same thing for the passenger side. Alright, we are at the rear of the vehicle. This is the 11-inch blade. So what we need to do is a different setup compared to the front ones. We don't have that little clip like we do with the front wipers. So just lift this up and gently pry this plastic blade away from the arm, just like that, and it will come out. As you can see that little point there, that's where it pivots at right here. This little round part goes in that slot there. Again, be very careful. This is spring loaded. Although it is plastic, it could still scratch your glass there or potentially chip it. Just be careful. And grab your new blade and insert it like this here. And it'll click into place. And that is it. Okay, we're back inside the vehicle. We need to hit this start-stop button 2 times. Once again. Here we go. And all you need to do is move this lever up to the mist position. And there the wipers go back into their regular position. That one's back up inside. And that is it, guys. Power down here. And that completes it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hit that like button if you liked it. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.